Hey there. Today I'm going to talk to you about the one and probably the most important thing you need to do when you're thinking of getting into the video space. And I know what you're probably thinking. Come on, Kim. You taught high school and college for 15 years. This is easy for you. And you're right. It's pretty easy for me. But I am going to share with you the one and the only thing you need to do in order to create your first video, whether it's a live or a static one. And guess what? I had to do it too. So grab a cup of coffee and stay tuned because I'm Kim Boltzma and this is Video+Coffee. All right, let's get to it. Now I could sit here and I could talk about microphones and cameras and editing and the rule of thirds and tripods and even the backdrop. But I could also come on here and I could talk about theory, about having a teleprompter, kind of like the one that I'm using off to the side here and all that other jazz. But while all that stuff is really important, nothing is as important as this one thing. You know what that thing is? Just doing it. The most important step that you can take is to actually just do it. Just get in front of the camera. Write down some of the things that you want to talk about if that will help you. Practice, but nothing beats that first time that you just hit the record button or you click the button to go live. So what are you waiting for? I mean, all you have to do is get out there and just do it. And after you do the first one, I promise it's going to be so much easier. And heck, while you're at it, why don't you take me at a cup of content and I will be your first raving fan. And when you're ready to put some strategy behind your bad self, give us a shot over at acupofcontent.com/IGTV. And I've got a 14-day trial ready for you because you know what? You can do a lot for your business in 14 days. And over at our membership is where we teach you to strategize and give you different techniques and stuff that you can use to make your next video rock. Keep coming back here each week for more Video+Coffee. And remember, you can always catch the replays at Video+Coffee.com. Till next time, I'm Kim Boltzma, and I teach you how to create the right content for the right people at the right time.